Hello. I'm going to tell you a story using basic vocabulary and present simple tense. What you have to do is that whenever you notice a sentence in which I have used present simple tense, write that in the comment section. Here is a story. Heba is a young girl. She visits her family in a small town. In the town, there is a lamb named Sheru. Sheru is white and fluffy. Every day, Hiba goes to the field to see Sheru. Sheru eats grass and looks at Hiba. Hiba pets Sheru gently. Sheru feels happy. Hiba talks to Sheru. She says, "Hello, Sheru. How are you today?" Sheru cannot talk, but Sheru listens to Hiba. Hiba loves Sheru. She plays with Sheru every day. They run and jump in the field. Hiba laughs and Sheru runs around happily. When the sun sets, Hiba says, "Goodbye, Sheru. See you tomorrow." Sheru stays in the field and waits for Hiba to return. Their friendship is simple but special, full of joy and fun moments in the peaceful village. Did you like the story? Can you see the sentences in which I have used present simple tense? Please write those sentences in the comment section. See you again. Bye.